Domino's is easily one of the most recognizable restaurant franchise brands. If you are looking to invest in a Domino's franchise, please watch this video first. As an experienced franchise consultant, you better believe that many people come to me asking for food franchises. Because isn't that what franchising is? Most people think that franchising is only food and retail. I've been a consultant for nearly 20 years, and I have placed only a handful of people into food-based businesses. You know why? Because operating a restaurant is a very tough way to make a living. There are long hours, 7-day-a-week businesses, perishable product, inventory to purchase. And you know what I really don't like about food compared to other businesses? You can never escape the cost. There's always going to be the food cost, and there's always going to be the cost of the human to make that food. There are businesses where you can control the fixed expenses. So as you continue to grow the revenue, your fixed costs stay the same. So when you compare the net return of food to many other businesses, especially service-based businesses, you see drastically different net returns. And they're just easier, faster, better ways to make money than a food-based franchise. So if I've convinced you that a food-based franchise is not the way to go, but now you're curious about some of the options that may be a better fit, I would love to be your daily coach. Please leave a comment below or reach directly out to me. And if you've enjoyed this video and you want to see more, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell.